Gaius Chibeze, widely recognized as the Bitcoin Chief, has embarked on an ambitious agricultural venture known as Ohaneze Farm and Resort. This project aims to establish a premier agro-tourism destination in Nigeria's southeast, seamlessly blending innovative farming practices with hospitality and recreation. Over the past few months, significant progress has been made in realizing this vision. The farm spans 410 plots, equivalent to 26 hectares, and is rapidly taking shape under Chibeze's leadership, demonstrating a hands-on approach. Chibeze has been personally involved in planting economic trees around the ranch and resort areas. The establishment of Ohaneze Farm and Resort is poised to have a profound impact on the Igbo community and the broader Nigerian agricultural landscape. By integrating modern farming techniques with tourism, the project not only aims to boost local agriculture, but also to promote cultural heritage and provide recreational opportunities. The Bitcoin Chief also established Ohaneze transport. In a recent address, Chibeze emphasized the importance of action over discourse, urging the Igbo community to actively participate in transformative initiatives. His commitment to projects like Ohaneze Farm exemplifies this call to action, showcasing a dedication to tangible development and community empowerment. This is how they bring truckloads of cement to the farm, which they are using for fencing and other works in the farmland. As the project nears completion, anticipation builds for the positive changes it promises to bring to the region. Ohaneze Farm and Resort stands as a testament to visionary leadership and the potential for agriculture to drive economic and social progress.